previous video we already discussed about the rules for mapping in 4 variable K-map for SOP formatted Boolean function simplification. So let's practice the some other examples. And the first one is a sigma small m of 0 comma 2 comma. So this is the first problem, and this kind of problems are also very important in the mapping, and they are going to be little bit confusing one. So let us go discuss 0 2 4 6 8 10 13 or 15. Okay, here see, we have to think about each of one should be in a maximum cell grouping. In this grouping, if you let us think about the 0, so 0 can able to map with the 0 to 2 or else 0 to 8, but how many cells are going to be in a grouping? Only 2 cells. But if you take the folding paper method, vertically if you fold it, then what could be happen? 0 2 will touch one to each other, 4 6 also touch one to each other, so that we can able to take a hedge mapping with vertical folding of paper. So here we can able to map a 4 cell grouping. Okay, now let us think about the ones which are selected in remaining ones who are not in the mapping. 13 15 is not in the mapping, 8 10 also not in the mapping. Okay, you have completed only 4 number of selected cells, and the remaining 4 are pending. Now I am thinking about the 39 15. Do you have any alternate for the 39 15? Can you do the mapping with 12? 12 is not selected, 14 also not selected, and there is no other alternate. 5 7 not selected, so that there is no other alternate. We have to keep as a individual group of 2 cell. The next one is very important here. I think so you maybe understand this 10 can able to map with the 2, 8 can also able to map with the 0. But if you take the corner mapping, what do you mean by the corner mapping? Corner mapping means the map of say the mapping of the corners in this manner. If you fold the paper in two levels, the first fold and take a second fold, then what could be happen? The corners are getting mapped, touch one to each other. These corners 0 2 9 10 are touch one to each other. Now these 4 cells also will create a one group. So this is a extra point, this is a point you must be remember. And there are different kind of mapping techniques are there. I think so most probably 90% groups mapping we have completed in your previous videos. Now this is a new mapping. So what is that new mapping? We can able to group the corner cells 0 2 and these two. Okay, 8 11 like 8 10 groups. Now how we can able to group them? If you fold the paper in 2 levels, then what could be happen? 0 2 will touch one to each other, 8 10 also will touch one to each other, and apart from that, if you take the 2 level, these 4 also touch one to each other. Now we can able to create a corner grouping. So similarly here I am also doing that. This grouping is a new one, but everybody remember the corner group can able to possible. This is a one of the new method to create the group. Okay, and most probably we already discussed the different kind of grouping methodologies, and this is I think so it is the last one. Okay, how to group them? Corner grouping. So this is also create one of the grouping. Okay, so this is a way to grouping them. This is a way. And let's practice the more example on the corner grouping later in the examples, but for here only I am introducing the concept of corner grouping. The corner grouping is based on the paper folded in 2 levels, then these 4 corners are touch one to each other, and these 4 corners also will create a one group. So based on this concept we are creating a one group, and the remaining all are common as like a previous rules. What are the rules? Horizontally, vertically we can able to group, as well as a folding of a paper either horizontal or vertically, square shape folding, square shape grouping, rectangle group. Many kind of groups we already discussed in the previous examples, and this is a new one, corner grouping. Now totally how many groups are there? If you take a corner group, how many cells are going to be mapping? 1 2 3 4 4 are getting mapping, 4 cells are getting mapping. Always the corners create the 4 cell grouping. Only one 4 cell grouping can able to possible by the corner grouping. Okay, now let us write the answer for this group. This is a 4 cell grouping. Okay, in this 4 cell grouping who are common? In this is a 2 cell grouping, and this last one is the corner mapping. Okay, corner mapping also we have to write answer for it. And there are and corners also can able to select for only 4, because the 2 to the power 2 will become a 4. So 4 corners are selected, then only we can able to create the corner cells. If 3 cells are selected, we cannot do the corner cell mapping. Okay, only 4 cells are selected, then only we can able to create the corner cell grouping. So this is the corner cell. There is an answer for corner cell is become, who are common in the corner cells? A is not common, B dash is common, and D dash is common. Okay, the answer will be B dash and D dash. Okay, then what is the answer for this red color group 4 cell grouping? 0 4 7 7 0 4 2 6. A dash is common, and D dash is common. A dash and D dash is common. The next one is the 2 cell grouping. Here we need to write the 2 cell grouping answer. What is that answer? A, B, D is answer. A, B, D is answer. Now this is the output of a given question. You must be remember only one new group grouping process is going to be introduced by this example, that is corner grouping. Okay, it is based on the folding of paper in 2 levels. Then all 0 to 8, 10 will touch one to each other. That can also create a one group. Okay. The next example about next example, and next example also somewhat important. 1 3 1 3 4 6 9 11 12 14. Very simple, very simple. We need to follow the folding paper method. One is a horizontal folding, another one is a vertical folding. Just you follow this procedure. Okay, if you take the horizontal fold, if you take the folding with vertically, then what could be happen? 4 6 will touch one to each other, 12 14 also touch one to each other, so that we can able to create the 4 cell grouping. Okay, 4 cell grouping. And if you fold the paper horizontally, so 9 11 will touch one to each other, 9 11 and 1 3 will touch one to each other. Now this is the grouping for this given question. I know no need to write answer for every time, and you know that how to select the answer. In this every group, what are the variables are common will become a answer for the question. Okay, what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this group? There are 2 4 cell groups are created. The answer for first group will become who are common? A dash are not common, so C dash is common, D is common, B dash is common, B dash D are common. The next for this group the common values are become D dash, B D dash, B D dash. Okay, so this is a output of a given question. Let us go to the next example. Second example. So next one is 4 5 4 5 6 9 11 12 13 14. So this one also important one somewhat. And here see, easily we can able to create a group of 4 cell. Okay, first you need to create the easy grouping. After that you go to the overlap and other. Okay, now we need to think about the alternate for the 9 and 11. Simply we can able to create the 2 cell grouping, but before create the 2 cell grouping, let us check for the alternates. What are the alternate? If you fold the paper 1 and 3, are they touching? Yes, touching, but these two are not selected, and there is no adjacent 8 10 also not selected, so that there is no alternate for that. We have to create a only 2 cell grouping. Okay, then let us go to the alternate for the 6 and 14. If you we can able to take a single 2 cell grouping, but rather if you think about the overlap, think about that, overlapping concept, then what could be happen? We can able to create a 4 cell grouping in a folding paper vertically, that 4, 6 and 12, 14 will touch one to each other, so we can able to create the 4 cell grouping. Okay, this is the edge mapping. Edge mapping can able to possible that this problem. The next one, no need to write answer for every problem, just you remember the concept of how we are mapping in problem. The next one is the fourth one. So 0 4 0 4 9 10 13 14. Okay, now in this problem there is no alternate for this one, only 2 cells are selected as a group. And next come to this one, no alternate for this group also. Then come to this one, no alternate, all are become a 2 cell grouping, okay. Now in case of 14, in case of 12 and 8 are going to be selected, then we can able to take as a 12 to 14, 8 to 10, we can able to create the 4 cell grouping, but they are not selected. So this is the answer for that question. Next one, this one, 1 2 3 1 2 3 9 10 11. Okay, so this also very important one. We can able to map, if you fold the paper horizontally, we can able to create a good mapping. But how many are selected here? For the first row 3 are selected, say last row 3 are selected. Then let us do the mapping. First you have to divide it into the 4 cell, because we should not do the mapping as a 6 cell. 6 cell is not recommended, so we should not do it. We have to go for 4. Yeah, we can also go for the 8, but 0 and 8 are not selected, so that we cannot do the 8 cell grouping. So that what is the lower level? Lower level is become only 4 cell grouping, so prefer that 4 cell grouping. So this 4 1 3 and 8 9 11 will create a 1 4 cell grouping. The next one, now think about the 2 and 10. So you know that 2 and 10 can able to group by this manner, but if you include the 3 11 as a overlap, then what could be happen? Here also it is going to be create the 4 cell grouping. Okay, if you take the overlap of a 3 and 11, then here also we can able to create the 4 cell grouping. Now there are 2 4 cells groups are created. Okay, next one, do you understand? I think so it is very easy problem. 0 1. Next one, next problem, 0 1 0 1 8 10 12 14. Okay, in this problem we have to think about the alternate for 0 and 1, but no alternates are created to create the maximum cell grouping. Okay, so that individually we can able to create the 2 cell grouping. After that, these two are okay, edge grouping, we can able to create 4 cell edge grouping. Okay, that's it. The next problem, next come to this problem. Two 5 6 7 8 12 13 15. Okay, it is also somewhat confusing one. Now let us go to the mapping. Whenever you look into the problem, first you need to create a easy grouping. Here I am taking a easy group of 4 cells. Okay, that one completed. Then let us think about the other ones which are not in the group. So here with overlap, here we can able to create a one group, but without overlap also we can able to group of 2 cells, that is a 12 and 8. Okay, clear. Now let us come to this point. 6 can able to take a group grouping with overlap of 7, but if without overlap also you will get the same count of cells. So that prefer to create a group without overlap. Okay, after that go for the overlap. Done. So this is about this answer for this is the groups for this given problem. The next one, 0 1 8 9 8 9 10 11. Very simple and easy thing. Directly we can able to create a group of 4 cells 8 and because all are adjacent one to each other, so one group has been completed. Then go to the 0 and 1. So here we can able to leave as a single 2 cell grouping, but rather if you try with overlap with the edges, then here we can able to create a one another group of 4 cell. Okay, 4 cell. Now this is the second group. Okay, black circle group and red circle group, two groups are created. Okay, the next problem, 0 2 4 6 0 2 4 6 0 2 4 6 12 14 12 14. It is also same like a previous problem just before we practice this model. Very simple. We cannot do the 6 cell grouping because in K-map it is not recommended, so that we have to go for 8 cell, but 8 cells are not possible. So what is the alternate grouping? Only 4 cells, so that you need to take a 4 cell grouping first initially, and next think about the ones which are not in the group. Who are not in the group? 12 and 14 are not in the group, but with the overlap here also we can able to create the one 4 cell group. If you take the overlap with the 4 and 6, here also we can able to take a 4 cell grouping. Here 4 cell groups are created. Okay, the next problem about 0 1 0 1 2 3 8 9 10 11. Yes, it is a very nice problem. Here also we can able to create the maximum cell grouping. If you fold this paper horizontally, what could be happen? 0 1 2 3 will touch to the 8 9 10 11, so that obviously we can able to create a one group of 8 cells. Now only one group is created with the 8 cell, so this is the answer for that question. Next one is 0 1 2 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 10 11, and here it is 14, here it is 13. Okay, here it is 13. Okay, it is a 13 value, 13. Okay, now 13. So this is a one group. Now how we can able to select them? Now here 12 is not selected. Keenly observe here, 12 is not selected, so that you try, can you do it the 8 cell grouping? So in this way you cannot group the 8 cell grouping. If you fold vertically, there may be a chance to get 8 cell group if 12 also selected, but 12 is not selected in the question, so we cannot create the 8 cell grouping. Alternate, you think about it. Alternate, directly you go for the easy grouping. Here I am going to the easy grouping, that 4 cell grouping. One easy group has completed. Let us go to the next easy group. Next easy group is 1 5 13 9. Okay, another easy group also completed. Now let us think about the another easy group. This is also another easy group. Okay, if I take the overlap with the 9 and 10, obviously here also we can able to create the one 4 cell grouping. And next one, think about the two other cells, 0 and 4. What are the alternates? How many alternates are available for the 0 and 4? In 0 and 4 we can able to create this kind of overlapping, as well this overlap. Two overlaps are available. Any one you can select and you can take the answer. Both are correct. If you take the alternate, like if you take this kind of mapping, also will consider into the answer. Otherwise, if you take the overlap with this group, also will consider into the answer. Okay, then last one 1 3 1 3 4 5 7 6 9 11 12 13 14. Okay, here also it is also same like a the first problem. First go to the easy grouping. Here I am going for the easy grouping. First one easy group with the 4 cell. Next easy group, because 8 cell grouping is not possible. Next easy grouping, 2 easy groups are completed. Then let us think about the ones which are not in the group. If I now for the sake of 12, you can able to do this kind of group. You can able to do this. Okay, but if you take the here, how many cells are getting overlap? How many cells are getting overlap? 1 2 3 cells are getting overlap. But if I consider the another way of mapping, like in this way, then what could be happen? 2 cells are without overlap, 2 cells are with overlap. So in this way we have to think. If I consider the 12 14 4 6 group, then what could be happen? 2 are not in the overlap, 2 are in the overlap. Otherwise, if you go in this way, then what could be happen? So here also we can able to create one group like a 12 13 5 4, also consider as a one of the group. But what could be happen? There are 3 cells are getting overlap, and rather if you think about to do mapping with 6 14 and 4 12 will create a 4 cell grouping. 2 are not overlap, 2 are overlap. So let us consider, if you want to take that previous group, okay, you can able to take, nothing to worry. Here I am taking that group. Okay, unfortunately you have selected, nothing to worry. Don't think that is like a wrong group. It is also right group. After that, think about this one. Then what could be happen? I should consider the overlap with the edges. Obviously there is no other alternate. I should take that edge mapping, so that you have to take the edge mapping. Okay, now this is also one of the group, but here in this black group, how many cells are there in the black circle group? 1 2 3 4 cells are there, but 4 are overlap, so that this group will not consider in the answer. It is not a essential group. In any group, if all cells are overlap, then that group is not a prime implicant. It is not a prime implicant, and no need to take into the answer. It is not a prime implicant. Okay, so that you just try to map with many alternates, and if you go with maximum this kind of mapping, if you do like this, you may be identify this some kind of group will not become a prime implicants. Okay, so that here I am removing the proper mapping. You have to think for the proper mapping. To do the proper mapping, you need a more practice on K-map. Okay, now this is a proper grouping. Now let us think about this one and this one, Here also, if I take a edge mapping, obviously I will get a 4 cell grouping. 1 4 cell grouping. Okay, so this is also one somewhat confusing problem. You have to do more practice. But in this problem, all are prime implicants. How do you know that all are prime implicants? In a red circle, 7 is not get overlap. In maroon color, 3 11 are not overlap, so it is also considered in the answer. And green color group, 2 green color groups are there, and first green color group 13 is not overlap. In second green color group, 12 and 14 are not overlap, so that all are prime implicants. All are to be considered in the answer. In case in all cells are overlap in a group, then it is not to be considered in the answer. It is not become a prime implicant. Okay, so such kind of example we will discuss in upcoming video. Okay.